Okay, so let's take a look at how you can get Apex log history using SQL query. So we log into Salesforce dashboard, and then from setup menu we go to developer console. Now once we open developer console, we will check for this query editor to enter our SQL query. Now here we use select ID, then we use log user ID, then log length, then we use request. Okay, then we use operation, then you use application status, or you can simply show limited number of columns so as not to populate this entire screen from. Okay, so we use keyword from Apex log. Okay, now we hit execute, and you will see you have these rows that shows your log. Okay, ID, login user ID, length, request, operation from Apex log. Okay, there are also few other parameters that you can get from Apex log history, depending on if you want those columns to appear within your result. So you get the idea how to get Apex log history with this SQL query.